What is your name?
Kevin Anders.
What is your quest?
Victory in Spring Sing!
What is the best way to get a date?
Ask her on World of Warcraft. Ah!
Listen to your heart before...
A kidnapper.
Well, I could just ask you.
And now, join the men of Alpha Gamma Omega on their quest for the Alpha Grail, Monty Python style. Come along, Patsy.
Once each spring sing show, there comes a song like this. The instruments must go. It's a cappella bliss. Oh, this is Alpha's spring sing. And now for something completely different.
Stronger than we thought before. We're terrified as horror looks us right between the eyes. We're paralyzed. Now it's a killer rabbit fight. We're running left and right because that rabbit's not in mind. But we are alpha knights, and we cannot be by a killer rabbit. Tonight, we beat the evil bunny in the scene that was quite funny. And though the road seems sunny, that's absurd. There are enemies ahead, and it fills our hearts with dread to be stopped by knights who say one word. Now we try things peaceably. We brought them a shrubbery, but we simply cannot avoid their tricks. We would lose if we attacked. In cleverness we lack, but we'll get